we've moved east and we are on the coast and we are in Cleethorpes. 16p, that's what you're aiming for.
Toot toot.
Hi everybody, so we arrived yesterday in Cleethorpes. We're here for 3 nights. We are at the showground. It is a absolutely packed site with people who are having a lovely time away in their caravans, camper vans, motorhomes in the run up to Easter. Oh my god, and the weather is just insanely brilliant. We are here on non-electric for 3 nights. It was only £19 a night, which is a bit of a bargain to be honest. And we're off down the prom. Now I grew up here in neighbouring Grimsby. I lived here until I was 18 and I spent so many hours on the prom. Happy memories. I am so excited to be going to the prom, the pier. We're going to do some slots, we're going to do some bingo. Oh, love it in Cleethorpes. It's the train station, it's a dead end. Everything comes in here and you just walk out and you are on the prom. Let's go then. Where are we?
Right at the beach. At Cleethorpes.
Yes. Hope. She's just too excited. By the beach. Cleethorpes. It's very busy here today. It's the weekend before Easter. I can't believe how busy it is. Anyway, we just about managed to find a parking space, so we're walking along the beach now, heading down towards the big wheel and the helter skelter and the funny little roller coaster that's on the beach. The roller coaster on the beach has been here decades, and there was one here before it, and the big wheel and the helter skelter have also been here a long time. I think they've been replaced bit by bit over the years, like Trigger's Brew. But the sea, it never ever comes in. I think it might have only done it once over the years. It never comes in as far as the ride, so they sit on the beach 12 months a year. So are you having a good time, Mr. Pepe?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah?
People watching.
You're doing people watching. There's a lot of people here to watch. I can't believe how busy it is, even if it's 3 o'clock at the moment. It's very busy, isn't it? Lots of people having a really good time. I'm thinking on the big wheel. So this is really sad. These are icons from my childhood, and I know my mum's childhood. But there was some swings on the end, and then there was the big wheel and the roller coaster and the helter skelter that was a wooden one when I was a child. And they're just sitting here rotting. This is really sad. I wonder what's happening. You know what? These should be saved. These really should be saved. Should be saved, because look at that. These are part of people's childhood growing. So Cleethorpes Pier, when I was a child, I used to go in there with my grandparents. I used to have all the summer shows on at the end of the pier. I even saw the Nolan Sisters about 1980, and there would be a pantomime every year. There was wrestling on a Saturday afternoon with Anna and Grandad used to go to. And I think it's a fish and chip restaurant now, but it did get very sad and very neglected, so it's good that it's been new. Since I last stood on here, well, the first time I stood on here, and I cannot believe how busy today is. I've never seen this, even as a child. It was never this busy on Saturday afternoon. It's nearly the end of Saturday. I used to be really good at these as a child. I had loads of them. Probably out of practice now.
Insert coin to continue.
Oh.
Did you win?
I lost. I didn't win. Told you I used to be good at this. Donuts, bingo, slot machines next. It's quite cold, but we're having a really nice day. Are you having a really nice day?
Yeah.
Are you winning? Not yet. I've been playing this one since I was about 4. There's one from my childhood. This was here when I was a child.
She keeps winning.
I've gone for yellow. Come on. I've got yellow. Come on, go get her. Oh dear. It's like the Grand National all over again.
Yeah.
This is the best seaside bingo I've ever played. I used to play here as a child, and I've been playing through the years, and the first time Steve ever played bingo a few years ago was here, and he won. Let's play bingo.
Eyes down. Blue 3-1, 31.
It's got to be our turn in a minute. You ready?
More than 5 numbers this time.
You get more than 5 numbers this time. Go for it. I've won. One win. Got to win again. Because we want some chocolate.
Played about 4 games.
Yes.
Now I realise there
one-
are some numbers
Yes. That one, the top and the bottom.
that are on the top and the bottom.
Correct. 2 wins. We can have the chocolate. Childhood revisited.
It's a 1967
1967.
Mustang fastback,
Uh-huh.
and it'll have a 5.7 litre
Okay.
V8, probably.
Is it fast?
Very.
Very fast.
It's got Ross-style wheels.
Wow. Looks a bit crazy looking.
It's a bit lovely. It's probably about 40 or 50 grams worth. Though.
Wow. Steve knows quite a bit about cars. Oh, it's a bit nice. Steve's gone to talk to him. He loves cars. He'd love a Mustang. This is where I worked. Summer in 1988, I worked here. Before I went off to university. Donuts, rock, candy floss. Hello, I'm with Tyler.
Hiya.
Hello, she says she's been here 3 years. And I was explaining that I used to work here and how it used to be all set up. What's it like then these days?
Currently very nice, very busy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's your favourite bit? Is it the candy floss or the ice creams?
This is the easiest bit, but making the donuts is the most fun.
It is, isn't it? When you
Yeah.
flip them. I don't know if you still do it, like you flip them halfway.
Flip them, yeah.
That's it, yeah.
It's the same process.
Yeah. So has it been busy today?
It has been busy today. We've only just started to die down, so it's been busy. We've had to like go over here, over there.
Yeah.
All the time.
Oh, well, have a good summer.
You as well, thank you.
So I've been talking to Tyler and I'm going to talk now to the manager, Emily. And we're going to get some donuts. So I'm with Emily.
Hello.
And her family, I understand, owns this business?
Yeah, they own this one, and then
Uh-huh.
it's the arcade next door.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
the arcade has been in my family for a really long time, a lot longer than this one. The arcade there has only ever been my family's. It's been nothing before that, so it's been passed down to each sort of child.
Wow.
Sort of thing. So that is probably one of the oldest. That is the first and the oldest arcade down here.
I love it.
Yeah, my I think it's great or great granddad
Yeah.
was the one who one who built that.
Wow.
And he also used to make arcade machines, so he made some of the first arcade machines in the UK.
Some of them that are in there in my childhood, the ones that have like the moving parts in
Yeah,
them.
so there's one right at the back in the end in there. If you do go in there, all the way down to the end
Yes.
of it, my great grandpa or my grandpa as well made that. And it's like an elephant one.
That's the one.
Elephant. Yeah, that's still in there right at the end.
Yeah.
We tried to keep it as authentic as possible. Yeah. So one of the other old ones is probably the dancing clown. That's right now.
Right in the corner.
I recently did that one up, sort of restringed it and things.
Did you?
There's a few of them that sort of need, because they're older, they need a lot more maintenance than the newer ones. But yeah, no, the arcade as well. I think my great grandpa, I think, helped, you know, Butlins, the actual Butlins, Mr. Butlins, he was friends with him and helped him create Butlins. Yeah,
it's nice.
Yeah, no, we've always, well, I think it'll always be kept as a family thing. Yeah, but no, it's fun, and I'm glad I can still sort of be around here as well.
Well, thank you. This one's got some missing.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Must have fallen.
Dear. Oh. I have hunter gathered in Ernie Beckett's chip shop. We all think in our family that it's the best in Cleethorpes, particularly for the fish cakes, because they are amazing. So let's just say this is one scrap. This has to be the world's biggest. I've got a fish cake and scraps. For Steve, I got you, what have you got in there then?
A sausage.
Yeah.
A fish cake.
Yeah.
Chips.
Yeah.
Scraps.
Yeah, and
mushy peas.
Mushy peas.
But
And
has Hope been a good girl?
Num 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 num.
Has been scrounging chips from people sitting on the prom.
Yes.
Very successfully.
Not very ladylike. Morning everybody, we are in Cleethorpes again this morning, and it's another lovely morning, quite blustery, and we have walked on the campsite just to next door, literally next door to the little train. So I'm guessing we stand here for the little train. On the train. Toot 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 toot. We can hear the toot toots on the campsite, can't we?
Yes.
We can hear the toot toot on the campsite. It's wonderful. So this is the first time we've been on a train since Barrow. We're off.
We're off.
We're off. We're off. We're off.
I could have sneaky pulled the pin behind me and left the rest of the train behind. I didn't.
No. That's the kind of thing you wouldn't do at all, is it?
No.
No, no, no.
Not now I'm grown up.
This is where you can get off if you want to, and you can get on a little road train that takes you into Cleethorpes, and that just transfers you right here. Tickets please. Tickets please. Tickets please. Hiya. Hello.
So how did you enjoy that?
It was absolutely brilliant.
Fantastic.
So good. Look at it going past.
And when was the last time we went on the Cleethorpes?
About 1981, when none of this was here, and there was just a train, and there was probably a couple of carriages and volunteers working on a little derelict side track, and to have made all this is just fantastic. I hope you had a good time with Cleethorpes. Fantastic. Yeah.
Come here again.
Yeah. Roll on Scarborough.